Hi guys, welcome to come to the tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see some C input as well as output functions which we can get from the string.h header file, and we are going to utilize it and get a character and put character in an easy manner without the clash of a function syntactically puts on us. And we are also going to get a string through gets function, and we are going to put on the screen through the puts function. This line, what are input and output? Whatever you give through the keyboard is taken as the input, and whatever which comes through the computer screen is called the output. And C compiler handles this with a file pointer called standard input, which gets the input from your keyboard and writes it on the file, and from the file you are getting your input. And as the same, if you put a printf function or puts function, the stream of bits that you are giving in the program which will be piped through the which is standard out, and it will be thrown to the output screen. Let me explain a program. In this program we have included a second header file which is string.h, in which we are having the gets function and puts function. As we have declared a character array, in this character array we are going to get the string using the gets of a. Through this function you are getting the input from the standard input file pointer, and you are saving the input on the variable a, and through the puts function you are putting it on the screen. You may have to prompt something so that the end user will know what's the function of this program. Enter the string. Let's go compile and run. It takes some time. Next we are going to get a character through getchar function and going to print the same through get putchar function. We have to enter a string, let it be rock, and the gets function gets the input from the prompt which is from the keyboard, and saves it on a variable a which is nothing but a character array, and puts the same through the puts function. And now we can use a single character. We can get and put a single character. We don't have to use the scan function, which is pretty tough. Getchar function is the one which returns the input to the variable, and can use putchar function which outputs the same character on the screen. Changing the prompt, it prompts for a character, so I'm giving it as J, and we are getting the output as J. This is because in this line you are printing enter the char through printf function which is piped through that standard input file to the output screen, and it is here. And in the next line you are getting the character which is a character variable. A is a character variable, and getchar is the function which is in the string.h. Getchar is available in the stdio header file. You can get it, you are getting it through the standard input file pointer, and you are saving the value of the variable, and using the putchar function you are getting the value of the a variable and putting it on the screen through the standard output And that's the end of the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing us.